Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Veda Food Court and Art. I hope all are doing good. Today our recipe is Maggi rice. We can prepare this dish so quickly for lunch box. It will be useful for working women and bachelors. So let's get started the recipe. First heat up the oil of 2 tablespoons in a pan. After that add 1 spoon of jeera, cumin seeds and 1 sliced onion. Saute it. After that add 1 sliced capsicum, 2 green chili sliced and chopped tomatoes. Nicely saute it. No need to cook the vegetables, it should be crunchy. Now I am adding 1 spoon of salt and half spoon of turmeric powder and 1 spoon of red chili powder and 1 spoon of dhania powder, and here I added the biryani masala also. Now it's time to add the main ingredient Maggi masala. It is your wish, if you want more masala we can add 2 packets also. It depends on our rice. Here I added only 1 packet. After that I am adding the rice. Here I took boiled basmati rice and also added 1 spoon of ghee and chopped coriander and squeezed half a lime. Now gently mix the rice with the masala. Now our tasty yummy Maggi masala rice is ready to serve hot with onion. Try this recipe, you will like it. If you like this recipe, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.